When you're bored, try decorating the first pages of your books. Most of the first pages of my books are untouched, unlike the last pages. So I'm gonna put aside my fear and start making mistakes. What would you do when you're bored? Scrolling feed, watching reels, watching shorts? But if you're bored scrolling your phone, try these easy but creative things so that all of your friends are gonna call you an artist. Number 1. Koi fish. These easy but cute fishes are gonna make your pages eye-catchy. Moreover, if you make it, it's gonna be the easy but best of your drawings. Sad boy. I know that not everyone is good at arts, but this easy peasy cute boy will make you pause in one page for a long time. This little doodle figure. Drawing this figure is very easy as doodling. I'm pretty sure once you started, you'll fall in love with doodling. Pastel or clay butterflies. I have to tell you, be careful because this is so addictive. Once you started this, you start to feel the satisfaction of playing with colors. Heart whip. This guy is pretty simple. I like it colorfully, but black and white would also kill the look. Round flower creepers. No, this is not as boring as it looks. You can absolutely try this. It's very easy but breathtakingly beautiful. Yawning cat or dog. If you are a kitty person or a dog person, you may like to try this cute guy. Cute octopus. Want to try some new things or different things? I recommend you to try this cute little guy. If you are watching up to this part, I'll show you some of my first page drawings. Actually, I'm gonna draw ice and also there will be a surprise by the end of that video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.